Hi friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. AFK results are out today for 2022. Some of you did awesome, some of you not so much. I'm receiving a lot of comments and questions on what to do next. So here's a quick video. If you passed or if you did not pass the AFK exam in 2022, what to do next. So first thing, I'm going to start with those people who did not pass this AFK exam. Things are not over. Your fight is not finished. There's so much more you can do if you still want to be a dentist in Canada or in North America. There are quite a few paths left for you. If we say you want to be a dentist in North America, then of course you can start with iNBDE preparation, which is going to be pro-metric, and there are so many spots available throughout the year. You can give these exams and you can try to apply for United States of America schools. So that's option number one for you if you did not pass the AFK exam. Number two option is going to be to prepare for ADAT exam. ADAT is another exam which is accepted by University of Toronto and University of McGill. These two are big universities. University of McGill accepts like 1, 2, sometimes 3 students foreign trained dentist, while University of Toronto takes like a big chunk of almost 25 internationally trained dentists in their qualifying program, which is called IDAP, and that's a good opportunity for you, but you will have to give ADAT exam for that, ADAT. University of Toronto and McGill do not accept the AFK score anymore. So what I'm trying to say is the fight is not over. There is so much more for you. There is a lot of options open. If you are not into dentistry anymore and you are thinking, oh, I have exhausted all my AFK attempts, or I don't want to do dentistry anymore, there are so many amazing careers that you can look forward to and probably have a great future. So don't get stuck, don't get disheartened. These exams do not evaluate what person you are, what caliber you have. These exams are just another form of testing a big pool of people on their dentistry skills. Some pass, some do not. It's all fair. Don't feel disheartened, and I will keep posting more videos on what are the alternate options for anyone who don't want to or could not become a dentist in North America. Right now, let's jump into if you did pass AFK exam with a good score or with not so good score. If you did pass AFK exam in 2022, then what is gonna happen next? Number one, you have to look for all the universities which are going to accept your application for the internationally trained dentist program. I know some of you are thinking, I just want to do the direct licensing path. I'm not interested in schools. As I said in my previous videos, keep your options open. By the time some of the people have cleared these exams, they could have easily completed a DDS program and gotten a North American degree in dentistry, which is something that gives you an upper hand for future dentistry career in North America. So what I'm trying to say is keep your options open. How would you keep your options open? Right now, you do not have many options because Dalhousie University, University of Saskatchewan, University of Alberta, and Western Ontario, these 4 universities have their interview cycle almost over. They are waiting for the final results. Some are still taking interviews. Some have completed the interview session. So we have to skip these ones until next year. For this year, what is open is actually just the University of Manitoba for those who have an AFK score, and University of Toronto and University of McGill if you are going to give ADAT exam, ADAT exam, which is gonna bring you in the pool for University of Toronto. Collectively, these are going to be total 30 to 35 seats for internationally trained dentists, foreign trained dentists. So you will be fighting for these 30 to 35 seats. So still, that option is still open, DDS from Canadian Dental School. Second option is you have to look forward for an ACJ exam spot. Now the new process say that once you clear AFK, and if you want to continue with the direct licensing path, then you have to go for ACJ as the second step. They have not opened it, but soon they are going to open the spots. You will book your ACJ. The past results recently has been going up. Earlier, it used to be the most horrible part of the whole licensing path, but now they are like, it's unpredictable now. Sometimes they are giving 70% as a pass rate, sometimes 30%. So right now in the recent months, the exam passing rate is going a little bit up. So just give your best shot. Wait for that portal to open once there's an announcement that on so and so date we will announce the ACJ exam. At that time, be ready on your laptop. Do not wait that, oh, they are opening today, I will try tomorrow. No, everybody is trying to log into the NDEB website and try to book their spot ASAP. So you do not miss that race. Make sure that you stay on top of the updates that are released by NDEB website. Subscribe to the newsletter. Make sure you receive all those emails. Put an alert on those emails. But whenever they announce for ACJ exam, boom, you have to book your exam right away. Once you book that exam, only then you will go forward to NDECC, which is the clinical exam, and it is going to be two parts. The first part is going to be clinical exam, just like the ACS exam, assessment of clinical skills that we had in past, and the second part is situational judgment exam. I'm teaching a lot of group of students for the situational judgment exam, and it is an amazing way how they test you or bring you equivalent to those who are studying in Canadian dental school, so that you learn all about professionalism, communication, healthcare law, ethics, and just how to make a good judgment, treatment planning, treatment sequencing, problem list, findings, and there is so much more to this entire situational judgment exam and this NDECC protocol than just changing the exam. So those who are thinking, oh, they are changing things all the time, change is good. Change is always inevitable. Things are going to evolve. There will be new processes coming up. Let's not complain. I know it's frustrating when you are in that process, but let's not complain. Let's not feel bad. Let's not get disheartened. Keep going. If you cross this AFK hurdle, which was a big hurdle in the first place, then you are on the right track. You have to move on to the next one now, which is ACJ booking or applying for DDS programs. In the next video, I'll try to talk about how can you create a solid application for University of Toronto IDAP program, because that is one program which is going to accept a big pool of students. But before that, you will have to give an ADAT exam. If you have not booked the ADAT exam for this coming April, you make sure that you apply for the ADAT exam and get a spot as soon as possible, so that you can apply for University of Toronto IDAP program before time. And also keep an eye on ACJ booking. So to summarize this video, I'm suggesting two things. If you did not pass AFK, this is not end of your dentistry career. This is not end of your life. It is not end of dentistry career because you still have ADAT as an option, iNBDE for USA as an option, or there are so many other options that you can think of. Alternative careers are another great things that you can do. Rather than studying 3 years dentistry with a 300,000 line of credit, you can actually pursue a new career and change everything all the way, like from upside down. So there may be a career that you really want to pursue, and now is the time for you to get your hands into that particular career option. So for those who did not pass this AFK exam, don't feel disheartened. For those who passed this exam, first option DDS. So keep preparing for all the DDS schools, dental schools in North America. Give ADAT exam, book your ADAT exam so that University of Toronto and McGill deadlines are not missed. And number 3 is keep pushing, keep trying hard. iNBDE is a good option for you as well. If you watched this video until end, then please make sure you subscribe to the channel, share this video with at least one friend who is in the same journey of AFK or dentistry in North America. And also make sure you comment below to let me know if this video was helpful. What else would you like to know? I've recently opened a membership option for those who are really looking forward to have a one-on-one face-to-face conversation with me. You can go become a VIP member, or you can just post your comment being a regular member for $4.99, and I'll be happy to give a personalized reply to each of your comments. I receive overwhelming messages on my Instagram, so it is very difficult for me to reply to those messages. But if you become a member, I'll try my best to reply to you as a priority basis. All right, have a good one. Bye.